Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 continues its legacy as one of the most stylish and approachable middleweight cruisers on the market, and for 2025, Honda has subtly refined the package while keeping the heart and soul of the Rebel intact. This bike isn't about chasing lap times or dominating the drag strip. It's about delivering a soulful, enjoyable ride with just the right amount of attitude and character to make every commute, weekend cruise, or late-night adventure something memorable. For riders who want a machine that looks as cool as it feels to ride, the Rebel 500 might just be the perfect companion. Start with the heart of this machine, the 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. It's a familiar power plant, borrowed from Honda's well-regarded CBR 500R, but tuned specifically for the Rebel's cruiser vibe. It delivers linear power with a smooth torque curve, meaning you get usable grunt right from the lower rev range, ideal for city riding or mellow country backroads. The throttle response is refined and predictable, making it easy for new riders to build confidence while still offering enough punch to keep experienced motorcyclists entertained. The engine produces about 47 horsepower and just under 32 lb-ft of torque, which feels perfectly balanced for a bike in this segment. Not too intimidating, but not boring either. That torque kicks in early and stays with you throughout the rev band, giving the Rebel 500 a satisfying laid-back pull off the line and through the mid-range. What truly defines the Rebel, though, is its distinctive cruiser meets bobber design. The low-slung profile, chopped fenders, exposed frame, and beefy tires on blacked-out rims give the bike a stripped-down custom aesthetic that turns heads wherever it goes. For 2025, Honda hasn't radically changed the look. Why fix what isn't broken? But it has introduced new color options and subtle refinements in the finishes. Matte and metallic paint schemes return, with options like gunmetal black metallic and pearl smoky gray enhancing the bike's sinister urban appeal. The LED lighting package, including that signature round headlamp and the minimalist turn signals, remains one of the cleanest and most cohesive lighting designs in this class. The ergonomics of the 2025 Rebel 500 remain a strong point, particularly for riders who are just starting out or anyone who wants a low, confidence-inspiring seat height. At just 27.2 inches, the saddle is extremely accessible, allowing most riders to flat-foot at stops. The pegs are slightly forward-set, and the handlebars are wide but pulled back just enough to maintain a comfortable upright position without feeling too cruiser-like or stretched out. It's a riding position that works well for short trips and medium hauls alike. The seat itself has been subtly reshaped this year for a little more comfort, and though it's not meant for long touring days, it's well padded enough for daily use or relaxed weekend rides. Suspension-wise, Honda keeps things simple and effective. The front features 41mm telescopic forks with 4.8 inches of travel, while the rear dual shocks offer 3.8 inches. They aren't overly sporty or plush, but provide a nice middle ground that handles urban bumps and open road cruising with equal ease. This setup, combined with the Rebel's relatively light 408-pound curb weight, makes for a very manageable ride. Whether you're filtering through city traffic or carving up a scenic back road, the Rebel 500 remains planted and composed. Braking duties are handled by a single 296 discum disc up front and a 240 disc at the rear, both with optional ABS. The brakes offer solid stopping power, and with the standard 2-channel ABS, you get added peace of mind when riding in wet or unpredictable conditions. The levers are nicely machined, and braking feels progressive without being grabby. Again, Honda isn't pushing track day performance here. They're delivering a practical, confidence-inspiring setup that suits the cruiser mindset. One of the more impressive aspects of the Rebel 500 is its approachability. This bike doesn't ask for compromises. It's light enough to handle easily at low speeds, yet planted enough on the highway to feel stable even at 70 mph. The 6-speed gearbox is smooth and precise, with clutch engagement that's friendly even for those still learning the finer points of feathering. The slipper clutch, which became standard in recent years, continues to be a blessing during downshifts, reducing rear-wheel hop and improving control in more spirited riding. Another standout quality is the customization potential. Honda's really leaned into the idea that the Rebel 500 can be a blank canvas for riders who want to put their personal stamp on their machine. There's a growing catalog of factory accessories, everything from saddlebags, rear racks and windshields to custom seats, fork boots and lighting options. But beyond that, the aftermarket community has fully embraced the Rebel, offering everything from exhaust systems to chopped fenders and cafe-style components. For many riders, this bike isn't just a ride, it's a project, an expression of style and personality. Whether you're going for a full blacked-out bobber or something retro with chrome and leather touches, the Rebel 500 accommodates your vision with ease. Fuel economy remains one of the quiet triumphs of this platform. Riders can expect around 65 to 70 miles per gallon under normal riding conditions, and with a 3-gallon fuel tank that gives you over 200 miles of range per fill-up. It's one of those details that might not grab attention immediately, but becomes deeply appreciated after a few months of commuting or weekend rides. Low running costs and Honda's stellar reliability record only add to the ownership experience. In terms of instrumentation, the Rebel keeps things minimal but effective. The LCD display is compact, round and retro-inspired, while offering digital speed, gear position, fuel level, and time. It's clear and easy to read even in sunlight, though some riders might wish for a bit more information, like ambient temperature or dual trip meters. Still, the uncluttered design suits the bike's clean aesthetic, and you can always upgrade with bar-mounted accessories if you need more tech. The 2025 model sees a modest update to its electrical system to better support add-ons like heated grips or auxiliary lighting. It's a small change, but for those who like to tinker or ride year-round, it's a welcome improvement. Additionally, Honda has slightly tweaked the ECU mapping to further smooth out throttle response in lower gears, a change that's subtle in practice but contributes to the bike's excellent street manners. Pricing for the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 starts at around $6,799 USD for the non-ABS model, with the ABS variant coming in at roughly $7,099. For the quality, brand reliability, and sheer enjoyment the bike offers, it's a very competitive price point. There are cheaper options out there, sure, but few match the Rebel's combination of style, refinement, and real-world usability. It occupies a sweet spot in the market that appeals equally to first-time riders and veterans looking for a fun, fuss-free cruiser. Ultimately, what makes the Rebel 500 special isn't just its specs or looks, it's the way it all comes together. It's a bike that encourages riding. It makes you want to take the long way home. It makes parking lot loops fun. It's that rare kind of motorcycle that fits into your life effortlessly, whether you're commuting to work, rolling into a bike night, or just clearing your head with a sunset ride. The Rebel doesn't need to scream for attention. It gets it with a confident whisper, a sleek silhouette, and a riding experience that just feels right. For riders searching for something that combines everyday rideability with custom-inspired flair, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 delivers in spades. It's got the looks, it's got the heart, and more importantly, it's got the soul. If you're looking for a bike that welcomes you into the world of motorcycling without holding you back once you're deep in it, this Rebel might just be the revolution you've been waiting for. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a ride. This is Bike Culture Hub, where the road meets the story. Catch you on the next one.